Hey, boys and girls. Okay, so here's part two of percent change. This is a little bit different because we don't have an old and a new in this one. This is just increasing something by a percent. So this is very similar to the tax tip and discount. It just doesn't say it explicitly. So I'll tell you what I mean. I'm going to do 16 and 18 and increase and a decrease. You're going to do 17 and 19 on your own, okay? So copy these down in your notes. All right, here we go. Boop. So increasing 25. So you start at 25. I want to increase that by 24%. So if I'm increasing, that means I need the 25, which is the 100%, plus an extra 24%. So I'm going to actually multiply this by 124%. The 100 for the whole thing, and then the 24% on top of that. So I'm going to do 25 times 1.24. I could do 25 times 0.24 and then add it on if I want. I'd get the same answer. So 25, let's clear this up. So 25 times 124% as a decimal is 31. Now if I just took 25 and multiplied it by 24%, if I did it that way, I would get 6. And then 6 plus 25 is the 31 right there. Same thing. Okay, so that's an increase one. The answer is 31. Now we're going to decrease. So this is kind of like discount. So decrease 35 by 60%. So if 60% is gone, if you're decreasing it by 60%, that means you're keeping only 40%. If you're decreasing by 60, you're keeping 40. So 35 times, as a decimal, 4/10 or 40 hundredths. So 35 times 4/10, and that is 14. Boom, got it. Cool. If I want to do this, 35 times 60%, which is 21, and then 35 minus 21, I would have got 14 also right here. Boom, 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 boom. Same thing. So, uno, dos. You do these two right now. Increase 120 by 75% and decrease 72 by 65%. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. So we got 120 by 75. So that's going to be 175% is what I want to increase it by. So I want the 100, I want the whole thing plus an extra 75%. So multiply that by 1.75. So 120 times 1.75. If you did it the other way, that's okay too. Equals to 10. Boop. Got it. Next one, decrease 72 by 65%. Okay. Well, if you're decreasing it by 65, you're getting 65 out of there. That means you're keeping only, oh, sorry, this would be 5. My bad. That means you're keeping only 35%. So it's 72 times 35%. If 65 is a decrease, that means 35% is what you're holding on to. 72 times 35%. Hopefully you got this one right. And you got 25.2. Cool. All right, nice job. Now, let's see if we can make this a little more challenging. Ooh, here are some ACT level problems. Okay, number 9, one at a time. Following as I read. Due to inflation, a refrigerator that formerly sold for $450 now sells for 7% more. Which of the following calculations gives the current cost in dollars of the refrigerator, excluding sales tax? So just add the 7%. Is it F, G, H, J, or K? What is it? Go. All right, let's see. So I would choose G. Why would I choose G? So number 9 So you have the 450, which is the 100%, plus the 7% times this. So this would be the 7%. This is the 7%, and this is the 100%. So that's how I know 100% is the whole thing, and then this is finding 7%. You add them together, and you get the full 107%. Whatever that is, it doesn't ask you for the answer. So this one is G. Cool. All right, number 10 down here. It's going to increase in difficulty as you go. Blair expects an increase of 3% in her current annual salary of $42,000. What would her new annual salary be? A, B, C, D, or E? Go. All right, let's see what I got. So $42,000. Now I'm increasing what percent again? Yeah, 3%. So that means I'm going to increase it 103%. Multiplied by 1.03. So I'm going to get, it's a real ACT question. Hopefully it's on the test. I'm going to get my 24 times 1.03. Dude. $43,260. Hopefully you got that. $43,260. So we get ding, 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 ding. C. All right, now, most difficult one. Number 11. 2 years ago, the average rainfall was 30 inches. If it increased by 15% per year, so that's underlined, since then, what is the average annual rainfall now? Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. So I'm looking at this. 15% per year. How many years are we talking about? 2 years. So I'm going to do 2 steps. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's see. Let's go to my page of work. So it's 30, and now it's going to increase 15% per year for 2 years. So for the first year, I'm just going to multiply by 1.15. So I'm going to get 1.15 times 30. When you multiply, it doesn't matter the order, and you get 34.5. Some might think that's the answer, but that is not. You need to keep going because that's per year. This is 1 year. Now you need 2 years, so I'm going to increase that by 15%. So 115% of this. And I get 39.675, which would be, let's see the answer, 39.675 would be D. B is obviously a common mistake. So D is the correct answer there. Great job, everybody. Keep going.